SBI PO application form 2023 has been released by SBI to fill up a total of 2,000 vacancies. The last day to apply for SBI PO is September 27th. SBI PO application fee can be paid online. SBI PO application fee is INR 750 for General, EWS, OBC categories, and SC, ST, PWD categories are exempted from fee payment. In this video, we have explained how to fill SBI PO application form 2023. Step 1. SBI PO registration 2023. Visit the official website of SBI. Go to the advertisement, recruitment of probationary officers. Go to the registration page by clicking the Click Here for New Registration link. To register, enter names, mobile numbers, email ID and security code. Upon successful registration ID and password are generated. Step 2. Uploading the images. Applicants need to upload their scanned photographs and signatures as per the format prescribed by SBI. The specifications for uploading the photograph and signature are given below. Photograph. The dimension should be 200 x 230 pixels preferred. The size of the file should be between 20 KB and 50 KB. Candidates need to ensure that the size of the scanned image is not more than 50 KB. Signatures. The dimension should be 140 x 60 pixels, that's preferred. The size of the file should be between 10 KB and 20 KB. Candidates are required to ensure that the size of the scanned image is not more than 20 KB. The signature in capital letters is not accepted. Step 3. Filling the detailed SBI PO application form. In the SBI PO application form, candidates need to fill in the following details. Basic details. In this part of SBI PO application form 2023, candidates need to enter details such as the circle, state, official language, category, nationality, center for preliminary and mains exams, etc. Personal details. Here, candidates need to enter their date of birth, gender, father's name and mother's name, address, etc. Educational qualification. Candidates need to enter the details of graduation, post-graduation, professional qualification and other qualifications. Work experience. Candidates need to enter their total years of work experience. Step 4. Preview. After entering the details, candidates can preview the duly filled SBI PO application form 2023. Candidates can edit the details entered in the application form before final submission. Candidates are allowed to edit the details in the application form 3 times only within the application deadline. Once the application is filled completely, candidates are required to submit the same. No change or editing of details is allowed. Step 5. SBI PO application fee. Candidates are required to pay the fee through the payment gateway integrated with the application form. The fee can be paid through debit card, credit card, internet banking by providing the information as asked. On successful completion of the fee payment, an e-receipt and application form are generated.